This is an instructional video on how to replace your laptop screen for an HP Pavilion G Series 14-inch laptop. I got my screen replacement from laptopscreens.com. Very reliable service and very reliable screens. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take my screen and separate the black front screen cover, either with, I have my screwdriver here, my computer repair kit, and just separate the black from the back here, just like so. See? Should end up like this. And you must be wondering, oh, why is it not coming off all the way? Well, there's two screws on the bottom right and on the bottom left that you have to unscrew. In order to take this off and pop this completely off, like so. Here you have your computer screen. To make this video a little bit quicker and faster, I did take some of the screws out. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you and point to where the screws are. You have one screw connecting the screen frame to the back of the computer here in the right corner, here in the left corner, one screw on the right side on the top, and one screw on the right side on the bottom. Same on the left. One screw here on the left, and one screw here on the left on the bottom. They're silver screws, so you'll know which ones are the sides and which ones aren't. The two top ones are black. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the rest of the screws that are in the side of the frame in order to detach the computer screen. I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew this here. And put my screw on the bottom. Alright, now I can pull my screen off. And as you can tell, or as you can see, the computer screen is connected to a video output here. What you're going to do is, you're going to peel the tape up like so. And just simply pull out the video connector like this. So you get rid of your old screen. You come back with your new screen, brand new screen. Okay. You take your video connector and simply slide it into your video connector right here. Just like the way you took it out is the way it's going to go back in. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it in. Let it click into place. Very slowly, very carefully. And just go ahead and tape it back down. You'll know that your computer screen is up and running once you turn your computer on. Now, when you're done with that, you go ahead and place your screen back in its frame. Very simple. You take the silver screws I was talking about, and just mount your computer here like so, using the screws. One on the top, one here on the bottom. Just be very careful with the ones on the bottom. It is kind of difficult to squeeze it in. I would recommend doing this on a flat surface. Very open, so you can see your screw whenever you drop it, since they're very tiny. Pop that screw in its frame there. Which, as you can tell, is giving lots of difficulty. Oh, there we go. Pop that bad boy in and just go ahead and mount that screw in the screen. You can apply a little bit of pressure to the back of your computer in order to mount that screw in, but just be careful. Same on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and put my top screw in. Like so. Oh, give me a little trouble here. Lift up my screen. Screw this into place. Take my last silver screw. Go ahead and mount this into place here. Alright, now my screen is secure to the back for the most part. Now moving on to the black screws that you pulled away from the top. You're going to put one black screw here and one black screw right here. Go ahead and put the first screw in. Nice and tight. Your second screw. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. Alright, now remember, that when you place your screen cover back on, to try and lock this wire into place, there should be a little groove there where you can go ahead and basically pop it in so it stays out of the way. Should be right around here. And just pop that wire in there, nice and good, so it stays there. Alright, you're going to take your black frame and just put it in there, click it into place. I usually start from the top, click the side into place, and then close your computer and just click this into place, the bottom part as well. Corners are a little bit difficult, but hey, it is what it is. Just, you can open it back up again. Now the corner is going to stay a little flush because, like we took it apart from before, you have your bottom two screws that were covered by the little sticky things. Go ahead, take one screw, put it in, screw that bad boy in, nice and tight. Take your next screw, put in the bottom left corner, nice and tight. And there you have it. A brand new screen installation for a Pavilion G Series 14-inch laptop made by HP. Once again, this screen was ordered from laptopscreens.com. Very reliable, and definitely recommend their products. And thank you very much.